Gentlemen in the mix. Hello, traders. Welcome to the Friday stream. Just hanging out and here for a minute. Where Bitcoin is pretty flat on the day, but it looks all right, man. I mean, just sideways consolidation after all-time highs. Potentially the highest low ever being put in. And, you know, supply line, the breakout point would be around 70,250. So just chopping, hint of bullishness because of the trend's your friend, but it's not over yet. We're not screwed yet. Altcoins just being taken on the chin, though, not really doing well. And that means we need to probably take a look at Bitcoin dominance real fast. Yeah. Bullish Marbazoo yesterday. It's like kind of broken out. Eventually 60%. So Bitcoin keeps going sideways, starts rallying, probably going to outperform the altcoins for a while. And then once if Bitcoin really starts running to the highest highs ever, you know, and starts finding its place up there, that's maybe when the altcoins would start running again. But for now, they've really been bleeding out pretty bad. So good to see you. I'm kind of restreaming today on Twitch, YouTube, and now officially Kick. Just doing that because you never know what can happen. So you always just want to have backup plans and then backups of backups, right? So bullish on Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin, I mean, it might be neutral structure, but bullish trend.
$4.99 from Bush. I missed the Thursday chill streams back then.
Bush, thank you so much, dude. Thanks for $5 super chat, dude. Are you? It's Friday. We had a chilled Thursday stream yesterday. What are you talking about, man? Did you know no one in human history has typed in my chat on Kick yet? Who wants to be the first person ever to do it? Because I'm able to see 3 different chats. What's up, Terrence? On Twitch. I think Adismo, what's up, dude? Also spoke on Twitch, and I think someone else did too, or maybe that was it. Anyway, so we're spreading it out, man. Like whatever. Probably gonna suffer on YouTube because of it. I don't know, but at this point, it's just meh. All right. So of course,
since we started out on Bitcoin, let's go further into crypto.
Ethereum. I mean, maybe they bottom it out here, but remember, like for the framework to be the best for us as swing traders, we're always looking for bottoms to get put in at inflection points, not in between inflection points from history. Well, there it is. Jesus chimes for Rekka. Yeah, no, Rekka, the first person in human history to ever type in chat on Kick. Dang, dude, and little boomer emojis. What? That's wild, dude. Cool. So we got a dragon going on. Whatever. If look, dragons come in with different feet. Okay, they come staggered. So you could have yourself, sure, something like this, and that's the dragon. Yeah. But what happens if things get bad, and we see you know, a pullback this weekend going into next week, and we head on down to 3,000? It would still be a dragon. It'd just be a lower low dragon. Golden Eye, thank you, dude. What's up, man? A 113 to 1618, way lower. So, I mean, just if you got a dragon that saw 2,900 to 3,000, it could be actionable, and most likely you'd be seeing bullish divergence on the oscillators down there. You know, don't really have that much yet. Oh, what's up, Barack, man? Thanks, dude. The follow on Twitch over in the chat. Hoosier, what's up, dude? Rip the Hoosiers. Sorry, dude, about your team not advancing. You'd be playing Bama tomorrow, right? Maybe not. No, y'all played. I don't even remember who y'all played. There's the Baba Booey. Baba Booies have been in short supply these days, you know? Wow. Bitcoin happening not tomorrow. That's fake news, Terrence. Fake news. So, yeah, I mean, that's where we are. I mean, look, you know, they could be trying to put in a bottom for an attempted rally here, and then they could conclude the whole trend with a lower high 886, and you just got like a bearish bat pattern reversing things. That could happen, sure. But at this time, harder to really manage risk appropriately. It's just how it is, man. It's the framework, and you don't have to go by the framework, but that's like kind of sailing in the ocean without a compass, without the stars. God, man. Let's go to B and Bay. Down 1%. But remember, yeah, it's like, so it's along the lines of Bitcoin and a potential wave structure. All right. They put in this higher low here. I mean, it could be headed all the way to all-time highs. Same with Bitcoin. So it just all depends. I mean, like, it'd be amazing. The closer you are to $500, the easier it would be to size up an entry and a stop loss. But that's just too much demand right now. So confusing. I don't know, man. We'll see how it goes. Dude, I got 13 viewers on Kick, bro. Oh my God, I'm gonna make it, man. I got 2 followers. I don't even know where it shows that. I haven't even worked on really setting up like there's like another third-party app I have to use for Kick. Oh, what's up, Anonymous? Thanks for the merchandise purchase, the merch perch, the poster, the canvas prints. The way to go, but you could frame that. It would be awesome too. Likes hidden? I don't know. Maybe. Anonymous, also, thank you so much for the unisex classic pullover hoodie connect. Thanks so much, dude. Thank you, back. Bush. What's up, Bush? Did it play? Yeah, no, it did play. Sorry, it's fine. Dang, Anonymous, thanks so much, dude. For the that's the 5-year anniversary. T. Thank you, bro. Wow, man, that's big support right there. Thank you. Holy crap. It's tough because like when people super chat, it's like don't know if they're super chatting. I'll figure it out, this whole chat thing. We'll see if it even works or it's tenable or if it makes sense. You know, we're just experimenting experimentables. What's up, Ross, dude? Thanks for the follow on Twitch. Bye. Dang, Terrence, thanks so much for the weird emojis. Wow, man. Smokey John, holy crap, he's coming in. We got some insane stuff going on. Sorry, I'm a little tickled right now. There's Irakanji. Hello, man. It's gonna be the best eclipse ever. I'll be prepared for it. BNB, maybe all-time highs with Bitcoin if they can get their S together. All right, Bitcoin buyers need to get us above that 200-some moving average. Good upon thanks for the follow on Twitch. Thank you so much. 420.
Is that a join?
And then we can go to Solana. That not looking hot, man. Yeah, that already breaking down. You know, we're just looking at it maybe as it was a triangle like Bitcoin. It's just like going for your lowest daily candle close since March 23rd. Playing 80. Thanks, dude, for the follow on Twitch, man. All right, double top, Bobo man bun, double top coming in, but 170 is still being defended for now. But you just understand how, I mean, Sol could go to 130 and we're good. Sol goes to 130 and it's a beautiful deep retrace. There are levels where someone could strategize an entry if the price action correlated favorably down there with some good variables, right? With structural developments. There would be great opportunity down there. Up here, it's just too high risk. Of course, like it could just consolidate, pivot here, and run again, and it's like, wow, that's really good market sentiment. But man, if you're talking about value in an uptrend, I mean, certainly the 130 level would be it, right? The demand line, the horizontal line, support resistance, and then just the wave structure, like the X, the A, the B, the C, what we know about wave structures. It's like a bearish dragon pattern almost right now, a little bit. So Metaverse, dude. Yeah, I'm back, dude. This is my first stream in years. I quit streaming and I'm back, man. I'm back, dude. Holy crap. So, yeah, man. Yeah, not looking great on Sol today. 170. It's a quick run to 143. As we saw it straight up, it could be straight down again. So you're just praying for Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin looks pretty okay. Batman. No, we got Batman in here. It's just not me. So it's crazy in the Rolex world. I'm learning. Oops, wrong asset. So there's something in the Rolex world called the Batman. And apparently they're leaking some sort of Batman adjacent new Rolex, and they're gonna start calling it the Bruce Wayne, which I thought was pretty cool. So, hey, it's Bradford 5000. Who is that, dude? How many 5000s are there? 4,999 other Bradfords. Hey man, I'm on kick, bro. I don't know, man. It's weird. Sorry, the chat box for me is weird, so it's like, huh? Yeah, I don't know. XRP, garbage, but not garbage. Of course, they're putting in higher lows. They're trying to defend 58.5 cents still. It's just flat, man. Flat, and opportunity is lacking in crypto because opportunity comes after time and structures have developed over time. And you just don't really have it so much yet. The all black GMT. I don't know. They're changing. I can't remember exactly. No, it's black and brown or black and gray. Black and gray is going to be the Bruce Wayne. Something like that is the GMT. I don't know, man. I was watching this guy who got caught scamming a bunch of people. Being a watch dealer, third-party gray market watch dealer named Andy Fair, and I just kind of went down the Rolex rabbit hole and started being like, this is pretty cool little culture, you know, absurd, but cool. So, you know, check it out if you want to be intrigued. He got arrested for fraud and is like spending 20 years in jail now, but it was insane because he tried to be like, he's the influencer, bro. Like, he would, like, film himself. You know, it'd have a camera crew and just trying to make a TV show. It was weird. Yeah, I think if you're in the luxury watch community, everyone knows who Anthony Farr was. Farrer, whatever, how you say it. Anyway, so we're still higher lows, I guess, for now. Yeah, it's kind of a pretty below market. I mean, outside of high. And I'm not talking about Japanese high. I'm talking about Elon Musk high. This thing's freaking nuts. And it was the same structure, it was like big time. But it didn't crap out. Well, you know, this is where big time was when it did crap out, remember? It was doing exactly
Former Mayor
this.
of Greenbow. Time to drink a gallon of milk. Could you please check out ZRX? Thank you for your work. Muro is a good dog.
What's up, Peter North? Thanks so much for the green bows. Not the greenbacks, but the green bows. World Reserve Currency, hype in the chat. Thank you, dude. We will look at ZRX or OX. Some of them call it. Hype in the chat for boomers. Well, you know, Greg, if you're on Kick, you can do the boomer emoji, apparently. What's up, Bobo? Dub-a-dub. Nice Kick name. Holy crap. Smokey John, you don't know how you got here. I don't think there's going to be any organic or new people following me on Kick, or Twitch, for that matter, that are not part of our community already. Like, so that might take months for that to even start building up or whatever. But, you know, it's got to be like a game of patience and wait. So it's like a position trade on seeing how it goes, streaming 3 different platforms at the same time. Hello, Cherry Pickin'. Welcome, welcome. Lars Larson, welcome. All right, high, right? Only like it's got its S together and it's got a great framework. And like the target, if this is on a fake out, like a big time fake out, it's a 440. Let's just say 420 because it's literally called HIGH, but well, more practically speaking, 440 to 465. Love this. Something of this. Thank you so much. Follow on Twitch. Welcome. Likes it not. No, I fixed it. I fixed it. The likes are not hidden anymore. All the Twitchers, the tweakers, the S-Coin bleepers. Yeah, dude. They can get wrecked. But all these coins are getting wrecked, man. What's up, Jay Nathan, man?
$19.99 from Jay Nathan. Is comp on the NYSE worth watching?
Well, thank you so much for the long-time viewership and support, man. And all I can guarantee you is we will look at it, barring acts of Klaus Schwab cutting my internet out. But yeah, well, look, holy crap on high. I mean, the dream. It was the dream. It was like OP. It was like high. And it was like big time. And big time's a great learning lesson for those to understand that it's not certain.
And there is only one thing we say to death. Not today.
The first sword of Bravos, thank you so much for the not today contribution. Thank you, dude. Bitcoin dominance breaking out. It already broke out, dude. It already pretty much broke out. I think, like from that first local high, it's out. Shammy, thanks for following Twitch. I was in chat. All right. Other than that, yeah, I don't know. I'll get the Kick stuff figured out. We got 10 viewers on Kick. Hop in the chat. Who cares? So, what is the deal with Neo? Neo is another intriguing looking asset, okay? The framework was there. Type 1, Type 2, the dream. Like Filecoin, like HBAR, like a handful of others. And then the trend reversed. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen? The trend is still your friend. And guess what? The level of 1342 to 1381, swing low, swing high, swing high, swing high, swing high, swing low, swing low, swing high, swing high, swing high. It's flipped. Support, defended once. Maybe there's so much demand that the sellers are unable to even test that 1381 again. And it's a dragon, potentially. Right? The head, the foot, the hump, the second foot, the spine. And the target is easily $21 from here. The closer you are to 1342, 1381, the easier it's going to be for one to strategize optimum entry, stop loss, take profits, right? Because the closer the price is to 1380, 1340, that means the more upside potential there is. The more strategic the stop loss would be. Because you don't really want to own the asset below 1342, really. So again, Neo could be considered a trade setup. I mean, like someone could. I mean, I think it might be, you know, the engulfing candle yesterday is now catching follow through. That's great. Daily time scale. I mean, everything's there. Like the trend is bullish. There's like a potential confirmation low occurring above a historic ancient ice line that goes back to 2018. This is like Filecoin again, kind of like Filecoin. So $20 to $22 on deck for Neo, assuming all continues and Bitcoin doesn't rug us. Looking pretty good, man. The dragon pattern comes from the ancient abyss of the internet, okay? And it is our job as disciples of the traditional technical analysis to spread the word, to make it a cultural phenomenon. And we've done that. It's the dragon. There we go. The Baba Booey's not loud enough, Echo. Thank you, dude. Not near loud enough. Be sure to join the Discord if you haven't. We got education and the access to like-minded individuals who also care about traditional technical analysis, trying to better their lives, family-friendly environment, all the fixins, all the trimmings, all the good things. And you get notified when I go live, so that's also good. But I'm sure mostly everyone that's watching the stream on any of the platforms would understand that. They're already in the Discord, so it's all falling on deaf ears. Correct, everyone. Ravencoin's up 1.7% today. Oof. Look what they're trying to do, though. Right, this is a successful trade setup concluded March 29th, and then it blew up, and then it's pulling back, and it's like, will the buyers defend the level? There was once resistance from 2019. They're trying to right now. They've been bleeding out every day, like 5-day losing streak, about to break in 8 minutes. Again, it's cool to see a back test, but it's always better when you have a confirmation low, like Neo. Like if you got something like this on Raven, like holy crap, they're doing it, and then you get like this. That's when it's awesome for a trade setup, because the closer you are to inflection points, again, you inherently have the most upside potential, and you have the easiest way to set up stop losses. Like you wouldn't want to own Raven below 3.88 cents because the downside potential is so vast. It would destroy you. So you have stop loss set up and then max upside. So Ravencoin, they're attempting to defend it. Not a very good attempt. Pretty garbage. Okay, I'm just gonna be real. Like you'll need Bitcoin to really keep doing kind of what it's doing for Ravencoin not to collapse. So someone talk about stake. I don't know what you're talking about, dude. Okay. ETA. Maybe trying to do the thing, right? Trying to do the thing. This is an active trade setup. The intro is down here. I mean, it's kind of like Ravencoin. Like Ravencoin breaks out, has that buying climax, and pulls back, and the buyers defend the level, and then they hold it. See, Raven's just like on. This is day one on Ravencoin, like January 23rd, just sitting there. You got to have more data, man. This is like a week plus, 10 plus days, and then you start seeing that, and it's like, oh yeah, maybe we could try to set up an entry here based on the price action. But for now, the pullback, there's a lot of demand. It's the highest low of the entire uptrend, and now they're maybe trying to put in another local low, kind of like, you know, Ethereum, and maybe someone could say it's a higher low dragon going on, and it might crap out. But if you're looking at the dragon, something like that. What's up, Corner Man? You got the boomers. What, is that all y'all can do? All y'all can do is boomers and flashing lights and DJs. I guess you don't have many. I don't really even know how kick works, man. All right, we're just going to play it by ear. I can see it. People mining Ravencoin, yeah, I know. It's wild. Okay, so Theta's up today. Theta's very interesting, chat. I mean, like, again, humble beginnings. This is what it looks like before Theta goes to $3.70 to $4. But it's also what it looks like before we see 166. You just have to wait and see. Continue monitoring this asset where they attempted once. They're attempting again. And if the sellers fail for a second time, that is when it would be actionable for a long. It truly is. You just got to worry a little bit about Bitcoin. And this is just kind of not enough. But man, if you wanted to, you could try. It's sketch, dude. I mean, you're probably better off at 166 for a long, because that level was broken and never back tested. But dude, again, they're trying so freaking hard here. So again, if you're watching the stream for some value and stuff and crypto, their assets, it's like, hey, Theta is one worth watching, paying attention to, and understanding that it is very possibly at actionable levels. Do we have any sort of edge on lesser time scales? You have bullish divergence on the MACD potentially, working on a 12-hour engulfing candle. But yeah, someone could be like, it's the dragon. Below 240, the argument kind of collapses because you want to see buyers defend a key level as support. Okay. Yeah, no doubt. We're just looking at some of the gainers today. Let's go to the last gainer on my list, Vara. That, yeah, up 1% today. It was up like 8% earlier, 10%, but you don't know when this is going to bottom out. It was a tailor-made trade setup. As it was posted, went up 100%, literally doubled in price in a matter of a week. First profit-taking level of that trade setup was published, was achieved at 14.3 cents, and now you're just pulling back. And what you're thinking is, eventually, the correction will conclude, and then we might be the most blessed people on the earth. We get ourselves a third valley, and then everyone in the mamas could go long on the third valley. And then it looks like high, H-I-G-H, high. And also H-A-I. Hi. Audio's better on Kick. Oh, interesting. Yeah, the Crypt Potato Hoarder guy, he got wrecked by Comcast. It's true. TA Zibit. Crypt Potato Hoarder. It didn't work out, did it? Oh, he's at AT&T now, right? Yeah, that would be the dream. That would be the ultimate freaking dream. A proportionate high third valley. Yes, but that's just like idealistically speaking. I mean, this thing could start running any time, but yeah. Okay. So those are like the ones that kind of like were up today. Bitcoin Cash was up, and then it's like, no, I'm good. I'm not going to be up anymore. A bullish, well, it's fine though, I guess, technically, right? So, you had a massive bullish breakout confirmed with an engulfing candle yesterday, and today you got as high as $718, and then freaking Comcast going. Dang, dude, Baba Booey's. Baba Booey's in the chat. Baba Booey's on Twitch. Baba Booey's
Comcast tipped
on
$100.
Kick. Baba Booey's on YouTube.
Happy Friday, Baba Booey.
Mother of God. Thank you, Comcast.
Hey
Call
mister,
that
can you look
consolidated
at
power.
LRC/USD on the daily please? Appreciate you being consistent all these years. 156.8522883 XLM.
Cookie, thank you so much for the 20. We shall do what you said. In due time. What is that? What is it? Lagarde? What she said? Lagarde say? In due time. Oh, come on, someone give me the quote, okay? Smokey John, thanks for the Baba Booey and Kick. No Baba Booey's on Twitch, huh? All right. There's a game of Litecoin in, killing it, man. Holy crap, we'll have to look at that. It's insane. So Bitcoin Cash formally trying to backtest 648. An inflection zone, resistance, support, resistance from history, going back years. Shoot, dude, 6 years. So ancient. So I think that's okay. Any price above 637, 648 is incredible for Bitcoin Cash. Animal spirits. Like, what's going on? All these altcoins just bleeding out day in, day out for a month now. And then Bitcoin Cash is like, not really. So pay attention to the winners here. Yeah, others are just like not really doing crap, man. It's like trying to like scan through some of them. They're just like, yeah, some are trying to do a confirmation low at support. Like I think Dash was trying to, no, it was Zcash maybe. And who cares about these losers? I know. I don't care. But look, they're trying. Look what they're trying to do, man. Like there was a level 2663, 2634. No one in the entire world, okay, could deny its existence. You see it. 7 years ago, swing low. Look, then again in 2019. And look what they're trying to do to it, like as of today. Like not yesterday or the day before, it was close, but today, literally. Like the buyers recaptured it March 20th. And now they're attempting to reconfirm its validity as support when it was support. Remember, 7 years ago, 5 years ago. Here it is again, being regarded as support. And the issue is like, it's, maybe it's the highest lows. It would be your first high or low, because it's only been lower highs, lower lows forever, for years. So this one, I mean, just pay attention. I'm not saying it's time to take action. Like, this is where someone can take action, but it's Zcash, and its performance has been miserable, but it is cool, right? We're just looking at an untraditional loser asset, S-Coin Beanie Baby joke. But that S-Coin Beanie Baby joke is kind of doing something pretty cool and intriguing and interesting where I would pay attention to it. And let's see if we catch some major bids off this and confirm a bottom here. Spring back test of spring, right? One of the most powerful technical indicators in the world of charts. Okay. Yeah, local on the 8s, man. Local on the lates. Jesus chimes for the new day. We did it, man. I mean, I don't know. Meh. Big mess. Big mess. Can't break the, I mean, again, the weekend. At this point, it's almost certain there's not going to be much price action on the weekends ever again. Like, I don't think they're ever going to let that happen. Wall Street has far too much of it now. Their bot's not going to let crap happen. Not like you're going to get some rogue buyer coming in with deep pockets on a Saturday. When's the last time we saw actual major price action on a Saturday? You got to go back to, what is it, June 2022 when Bitcoin was crashing. We call that Black Saturday. That was it. There's never been real major price action, big moves on Saturdays ever again. Uh-oh. Oh, God, dude. Sam Smith. We're going to put you in timeout, and if it happens again, you're gone. Okay? No one wants your crap. Oh, God. Never mind. You know what? He said, like, oh, it's going to run. You know what, dude? Nah. Never mind. You had your chance already. It's over. Sorry. So, yeah, you had a couple of these, but a lot of them are trying to do stuff like this randomly, you know, not at, like, key levels. So, let's look at gold real quick. Gotta look at gold, man. Freaking amazing. Just, wow, what a Jesus candle. $2,330, up 1.7%. Now that's what I'm talking about, you know? It's a lot for a $15 trillion asset class on the way to the 1.618. 2,359. Number go up. Whoa. Thanks so much, dude, for the Windows Get Wrecked Connect. Thank you, dude. All right, chat. Gold up 12+% and a little over a month. Very nice. Silver doing amazing. Hyping the freaking chat. Silver, bullish and golden candle, highest daily candle close confirmed since June 11th, 2021, and that's a big breakout. We have our, I mean, you're running. Multi-year highs on silver, all-time highs on gold. See you up there at 28, 27, but really, I think in $30. So much accumulation, man. They continued and continued and continued. Wow, incredible. Oh my God. Well, cocoa futures, you know, pulling back off its highs finally, but it had a good day. It was up 3.35%. Hype in the freaking chat for coffee futures, man. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Heading to that next resistance, highest daily candle close since October 2022. So we're talking 52-week highs on the coffee. You know, wheat futures, bearish trend has been terrible. I mean, nothing to really look at. The party's over. It's just downtrending. I don't think you're deep enough yet. You're be waiting for an 886 way down at like 450. Yeah, wheat futures. Hog futures. Oh my God, man. Hog futures. Highest daily candle close since July. Wow. Almost highest levels in 10 months, right? 9 months. Wow, heading to 92.60. Nat gas, wow. Haven't been here in a minute. Look where they're at, 160. That's a pretty magic area, dude. You got to be looking at natural gas saying, are they gonna repeat history again? Look, my God, dude. 1998, 1999, double bottom. But then, yeah, 2016, and this was identified. I remember. It was a freaking dragon of dragons, one of the most legendary dragons of all commodities. The farty. Thank you. This is all the spring. The back test of spring was identified in July of 2020. I remember we were doing like a Patreon hangout or whatever, and Probes was here, and I was like, oh my God, can you see this? And it was just, I can't believe it. It was so perfect. Like the spring and back test, like, and here, oh my God. I mean, like, maybe this time's different, but dude, they sprung it and they back tested the Springa. Maybe the Muna and the Juna or whatever, I don't know. The thing, dude. Do the thing.
I thought SMTI would be nice to look at. Thanks. 0.1196888120 Sol.
Smokey John, thanks so much for the 2884. We shall look at it. Oh boy. Looks like I'm going to be banning the word Kindu. Because Kindu is a scam. And they're in a Telegram, but unfortunately for their S-Coin, they only have about 5 people trying to shield this crap. So it's not like the other ones. Pay attention to natural gas. 160 is a big deal. It's not a joke. It's a major reversal point. Multiple times in history. Okay. Cop up. Copper is king. Look how they broke out. They back tested the breakout today, and it's confirmed, right? 415. Gotta wonder here, man. I think you got a big ride to 463, and easy, right? Easy to think about it with the wave structures. Yeah, man. Yeah, 786. Oh my God. Yeah, that's your target. 463 on copper for an XABCD. And yeah, man, it's like momentum shifted. You got that higher low right there. Very nice. And you know the macro is good. Gold and silver, if they're doing things, silver or copper is gonna do things too. Yeah, 463 up there. BTU. Man, they cannot get it together, man. I mean, it's still technically valid until 2275 is taken out, but dang, I guess they're just going to crap it out. And, if things do go bad, right? If the divergence fails and you just keep selling off, then you understand probably you're looking at an X, A, B, C, D, and the 886 is 1884. And that would be pretty amazing to see an M shape develop there. Sometimes they're better than others, right? I mean, to identify classic accumulation after a run's already started, it's not the best. You could wait for that too. And then a type 2 there, right? The 3 rising valleys after the impulse up, it's tougher, right? It's probably not as good as identifying a 3 rising valleys at a bottom. It's like a bottoming structure. Like Google was a perfect example of the major 3 rising valleys, right? I also think way back we had, was it Micron had it too like that? Where they bottomed it out. I don't know. Yeah, man, there's the 1, the 2, the 3. The third day, Jesus rose again, and so did the assets. U.S. oil, flat today. But still, intraday, highest price seen since October 2023. Approaching soon that 382, which is the beginning of the golden zone. So, and then the oil stocks, man, come on. Credit where credit's due. Oil stocks are freaking king right now. Marathon, all-time highs. Marathon Petroleum, not Marathon S-Coin, Bitcoin miner. Valero, all-time highs. Trade setup, BTFO. Not by much, right? It's like, oh, that was the exit. I mean, like for a trader, the entering at 125, here you are, 177. It was trade of the year. One of them, I don't know. Imagine like saying this is the trade of the year when you had like HAI, you know, and you had Uniswap. I think Uniswap's trade of the year. Yeah. Thank you, dude. Excuse me. Yeah, man. There's just been stuff going on. PXD. Wow. Pioneer Natural Resources. Highest daily candle close since June of 2022. 52-week highs. Very nice. Very, very nice. ExxonMobil. All-time highs. Hyping the friggin' chat. What a catch-up game they've been playing. Man, that's so nice. And you gotta understand, like, I mean, 132, heartline of that channel, just, my God, man, it's incredible. Any pullback's gonna be a higher low, and they'll run it again. BP, it's the dragon. The dragon at support. Right, dragons can appear anywhere, like Ethereum. We were looking at earlier. Okay, potential dragon on Ethereum randomly. It's just not as strong or as powerful. A dragon that develops and matures and concludes and completes at inflection points from history that cannot be denied or argued with. That's the ticket, man. Like, look, you can't argue. It's 2009, 2011. I think that may be it. Oh my God, look, 2003. It's such a real level. Buyers defending that. Shoot, dude. I mean, and that's not just the dragon. It's any pattern. Anything. What's up, Mobius? On Twitch. Hype in the chat? Yeah, dude, sure. Hype in the Twitch chat. The 3 people over that. How many viewers we got on Twitch, man? Like 5? We got more viewers on Kick. We got 10 viewers on Kick right now, dude. ConocoPhillips, hype in the chat. Well, not all time highs. We're getting there. CO Pay. 52-week highs, heading to all-time highs. I'm sure we'll get it. It's been beautiful reaccumulation on this one. 15 on Twitch, 10 on Kick. Man, we're going places. We got 25 viewers not watching on YouTube. Worth? Probably not. What's up, K31 Chan? Kel Chan, I guess. Thank you, dude. Occidental Petroleum, freaking dragon. It was beautiful too. There was no controversy. Remember, dragon patterns developing, completing, concluding at key levels, at as close to key levels as possible. Those are the best. Just like any pattern developing at a support. That's what you're always looking for. Hess, highest daily candle close since October 23rd, 2023. Heading on up. What a freaking trend, man. Good luck stopping that. CVX, double bottom. Highest daily candle close since October 2023. Hey, money. Oh, yeah. Over on Twitch. That. Huh? Schlumberger, or shall we call it Schlumberger? The Schlumberger dragon. Above 54.36. Look, a real level back from 2006. They're above it. They held above it. The history repeats itself. You got a $68 target plus. Nice trend, man. That's a real nice trend you got there. Yeah, there are your oil stocks. Great stuff, man. Okay, so we'll look at the S&P and then we'll get to these requests. I know people got stuff to do, man. S&P up 1%. See, we talked about it. It's now a bullish harami. You got yourself a bullish inside bar after the bearish engulfing candle. That's what I'm saying. We talked about it verbatim yesterday. It's like, okay, great. That's a big red candle. But like, what happens if like you just continue upward? There's just, there has to be fall through. There's zero fall through so far on the S&P after the sextuple bearish divergence. YouTube lags behind. Kick. Don't tell them, Brian. They'll start watching on Kick, man. Don't do it, dude. Dow Jones, meh. You know, broke that little channel there. No follow through yet on the for downside. Just hanging out. Okay. The NASDAQ still above 16,050, which is what? It's a high from November 9th, 2021. Holding it. See, this is just gonna end up meandering on up again, floating on up. Doesn't seem like they're gonna cut interest rates this year. If this, I mean, with all this, what's happening, how can they cut interest rates? I don't think they can. Something would have to break on the stock market for them to actually do that. Well, cut them or else. I mean, yeah, or else they're gonna cut him. Yeah, dude. I'm sure they're going to put someone, when they replace Jerome Powell, you better fear for your life, because they're not going to put someone in there based on merit. You know what that means. It's not based on merit. Politically anointed individual will be put there, and they will weaponize the Federal Reserve. They already are, but they will start becoming far more obtuse about it. It's going to be real bad. You're going to miss Jerome Powell more than your ex-girlfriend. Hello, Mr. Ken. Lars Larson. Thanks for the emojis on Kick. Okay, IWM, the poor man's index fund. I'm just hanging in there, just wedging, whatever. Lagging behind, bad. Okay. Let's knock these requests out, if I dare so. Let me see here. The first one of the day was ZRX. Ox for Greenbow. Sweat on in it. All right. Are there any structural developments at this current time that make sense for a trade setup? Nah. Was there a time? Yeah, it was identified. We looked at it. We looked at it daily for like weeks. Yeah. I mean, on the weekly, it was like, hey, did we have a 73 cent and an 89 to 93 cent, 95 cent target? The weekly, the week it broke out, and it happened almost instantly. Like, you can't even make it up. And then it even went higher. It went stupid. It went to 144. Now it's just going through a correction, and that correction could probably conclude at 40 cents, and it wouldn't be a big deal. It'd be probably a pretty nice area to add on. But for now, 61 cents hasn't even really been tested yet, maybe. Again, it's like not even about price action correlating at levels. It's about it's about the structures that develop at those inflection points with favorable price action. And you don't really have all of that on ZRX. Going through a correction, just imagine, like, a deep retrace, low to high, 886 is perfect, man. Take it on down to 41, 42 cents. 200-day moving average is literally confluent with that 886. You got all kinds of support resistance down there, and you know its value. What we know about the 886, how many countless times we've seen brilliant things happen there. That's where you're looking for structures to develop, 886s in uptrends. Yeah. Especially if something like that happens. So I would just wait, man. I mean, like, it could go up, but remember, right now, you're at the slot machine, you're flipping coins, you're at the roulette table putting it all on black. Hey, XDame87, thanks so much for the follow on Twitch. Hi in the chat. Mojipin's over on Kick. Hello, dude. Oh, yeah. Next Fed chair will certainly be a female communist. Book it. Someone clip that. Put in the stream clips. So when it does happen, and then make sure to title it so we can go back when Jerome Powell gets axed and they put in a female communist as the Fed chair. It's coming. It's freaking coming, dude. Sorry. It's okay. Don't cry, Mr. Ken. You'll be all right. That's for ZRX. Meh. Let's go to comp for Jay Nathan. Compass Incorporated. Okay. Wow, I'm talking about flatline, huh? Well, I haven't been here in a long time, but it does look like a bottoming base is getting put in. So you can see here, composite operator might be at work here. So I would say we clearly have a trading range. Really? It is cool to see. Right now, maybe one low and a second low. The midpoint maybe of the trading range is being back tested as support, right? So it's strong. It's pretty good. 423 is the big breakout point. So maybe it's the composite operator quietly, slowly, methodically accumulating a position on an asset that has done nothing but always lose. But maybe now, this time's different. Sub Hot Box, thank you for the emojis, dude. Christels, it's just terrible, dude. All is so bad. The answer to all of these is Bitcoin. Bitcoin answers the question. So how screwed are we? Who cares at this point? There's nothing we can do about it. These people created this problem. All we can do is look for a solution to protect ourselves. Okay, protect us from the female communist Fed chair who will take over and destroy us all. Central bank neutral currencies will be coming. Oh, dude, you name it. It's all coming. Social credit scores. It is gonna happen. So yeah, really good. 420. It's pretty cool. It happens to be the breakout point. So have your alerts set up. Maybe. Composite man doing his thing. All right. Partial decline? Maybe. Maybe. I like how if it is a partial decline, right, the trading range top was not tested. You haven't seen the top of the trading range since August of last year, so they've been failing. So either way, I just like how they've confirmed a bottom here. They're holding the midpoint of the range. And maybe that just means, okay, the sellers will relent and we'll go test 420 and we get a breakout. Then it's like, whoa, onto a big markup. I think like a big major target would be like 685. They run this thing. So yeah, keep it on the list. Compass Incorporated, nice request on package software. We'll see. Above the 200-day moving average. That's really cool to see. All right, the price holding it. That's nice, dude. When has that happened? That doesn't happen. It's only now. History being made. With the 200. This is just a backup of a backup, right? Because I got Twitch. Twitch is live too. And it's just like, whatever, man. Just see what happens. Like if I do it long enough, if I scrape together a few new followers and subs here and there on these two other platforms, excluding YouTube, and maybe I'm able to impact those people positively, at least to a small degree, then that's a win. And it's only has to be like one person, two people in months, right? That's all it's got to take. So we'll see if we eventually ever, if we ever accumulate any new people from those platforms. Woot Stapler, thank you so much for the follow on Twitch. I'm in the chat. Thank you, dude. Music stopped. Get wrecked. It is Saturday, according to
$10 from Unix Gaming. Listen here. Bitcoin is just one development to emerge from the cypherpunk movement that goes back to the late 70s, early 80s. This has been going on for a long time. Hodl strong.
Thank you, Summoner19, for the follow on Twitch. Unix Gaming, thanks for the 10, dude. Type in the chat. Well, I think kind of started in 2008 for a lot of us. Okay, because a lot of us weren't even thinking about money and stuff. Kelchan, thanks for the tier 1 Twitch, man. Sup? Thanks, dude. Let's freaking go, man. Good to go, dude. There's a follow on Twitch. They will come. We'll see, dude. Don't get cocky. No expectations about anything ever. Okay. Next request. Baba Booey for Comcast. He just Baba Booey. Baba Booey. Bob Equity. Barbaroo. Banana. Nope. I mean Baba Alibaba. Remember, it was looking okay, and now it's like Baba Booey. Dude, this is so bad. No, this is terrible. This is terrible. It really, really is terrible, man. No performance, no bids, 73.45. This level from March of 2022 is being regarded as resistance subtly now. This is the worst, man. You got an incredible Gartley, and no one's buying. So you know what? It could very well turn into an 886 Gartley. And maybe you get a bottoming base there. But this has been really bad, man. This is a typical bear trend, and you're at the basement. You're at a level where this is exactly where you want to see harmonics develop. But like, there's just no demand. No one's buying Baba. No Americans in communist China hate Jack Ma because he must have gone against them, and they're intent on destroying him too. So the cool thing with the 886 at 65.40 is the confluence with the 1618. That's nice, but dude, you might be seeing all-time lows again at some point. It's pretty bad. Jim Bob, what's up, dude? Thank you for watching, man. Baba Booey. Baba get wrecked. Yeah, China's... Comcast says he's tripling down. Don't do it, man. Because you might be waiting a while, right? Like, again, like Baba trading lower than it was in March 2022. So it's like 2 years plus you've lost money. Ugh. So that one was for Comcast. Cookie Monster. Oh, we didn't do it. Jonathan, how you doing? Did you have a good week, man? Everything good?
I like turtles.
Okay, you know, same neutral stuff here. The way we painted on Bitcoin, that symmetrical triangle, we could do it here. You were so inclined. It's not really that valid yet. Like, we don't know. You probably would want to see a rally up to like 2.57 trillion to be able to say this is a very real reaction low. You got to have 2 reaction lows, 2 reaction highs for a formal triangle. That's what makes it meet the criteria. Because like, that's just like a guiding principle on how you can say something's a swing low. It needs to run to test the next swing high, the next reaction high, make a new reaction high. So, but yeah, either way, it's very neutral and a very bullish trend, and you're not in trouble. You're not dead yet. Don't listen to Man Bun. He doesn't know. You know how big of a deal it is. Like, you know how wrong he is about everything, because he's just that double top, bearish, going short the whole way up. 1G dab, thanks so much, dude. Remember, no one told him he had to be this guy who makes all these calls. That's not what real trading's about. That's stupid. 1G dab, 21 Twitch, what are you talking about? Are you talking about viewers? What's up, dude? No, probably not. What does 21 mean? Don't understand. Holy crap, dude. On Kick, we got 16 people. 16 viewers on Kick. Bitcoin 67,953. Up against that 200 moving average on the 4 hour. It's a big boost. He's on Kick.
Bueller.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei.
Get this Baba out of my face. All right, yeah, sorry. We're going to loop ring now. Well, you know, we're looking at it. Why'd you down? Thanks so much for the Twitch sub, man. Thank you, dude. I gotta open up my Twitch too so I can know. It doesn't show me, does it? Yeah, I don't know. It normally does, right? It'll show you like someone subbed, right? And then it would show it in the chat. It's not doing that. Weird. What? When'd you die? What are you talking about? That's such fake news. I'm looking at it right now. Such fake news, man. Okay, anyway, so loop ring, you're looking at it right now. And again, without the framework, it's a coin flip. But understand, the trend's your friend. I mean, you've been in an uptrend for a while now. And again, like 200 moving average, 25 cents. Where are the big levels? 25.6 cents is kind of your next level. You try to say 31 cents, but dude, it's just so... It's not a good chart, but yeah, like in these situations, if you really like your loop ring and you understand the trend has reversed to the upside, like one can dollar cost average small incremental bids on the way down, and like, you know, you're probably going to get to a worst case scenario where, look, you know, you get something like, okay, it's a freaking Gartley bat. Oh, 886 down there. That's probably, that'd be good. The framework isn't really there right now, right? I'm not really seeing anything. I mean, it could turn into a dragon. Holy crap, you know, like the X, the A, the B, and the C, but it's not really anything. Nothing's really happening at key levels. Random dragons can develop, but you want the dragons to be, you want the dragon feet to be touching supports. Okay. Hey, we're back to 10 on kick. Nice, dude. I pissed someone off. Or like a lot of people. Half my viewers, I guess, over there. Yeah, he wants the daily. It just... Maybe they're trying to put it in a second low, but it's not really got all, you know, doesn't have the makings of a velocity athlete, like for a long right now, but it's in an uptrend. Sure. Call the correction, man. Oh, women's basketball. Who cares? Who cares? Oof. SMTI looking nasty. Lately, locally. Yeah, man. I don't like all this distribution. Look at this. So here's the thing, man. They think about it. Like, they ran this thing up, and there was a high. The buying climax, December 2020. They tried here twice. And it was confirmed that there were still less market participants than there was in December 2020. Then it rolled over, and then you made a lower high, and it's almost like a momentum shifting structure, triple top, whatever, and then a lower low, then lower highs, and then this local subtle distribution. And yeah, you're getting to a point where the bad action magnet move 33.26. They break this, then you got a high probability outcome of an 886. Yeah, oh wow. God, you know, 786 around 30 bucks, and then the 886 28 bucks. I mean, that's in line. Or if we're talking dragons, it's dragon season to a level, right? I mean, this is the dragon, but unfortunately it's an inverse dragon, right? Here's your foot. Here's your second foot. Breakout, but then you flip it. Gross. 50 shades of gross. Sonara Medtech looking kind of not good, not great. Look at that. Oh man, you gotta love it looking back at that peak from 2012. Failure, failure. Support, support. But then look what they've done lately. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. An up thrust, back test of up thrust. And if it was the other way around, that'd have been trade setup dream. right? The swing low from 2012, undeniable before that run, right? They violated it. Then the buyers recaptured. Then they reconfirmed, redefended for sure with the dragon pattern. And that's what I'm talking about. Like that's like kind of the whatever, the message today is like, we're going to be finding dragons, structural developments. We're looking for those feet. We're looking for those lows to be correlating favorably to key inflection points from history. This is perfect dream state. Unfortunately, it's the downside. But that's the thing, man. It doesn't matter if it's up or down. It's beautiful. Okay, Bitcoin inching on up to 68,000. We're looking for those feet, man. The dragon, the harmonic, but I mean, it's like the dragon harmonic and the key ice line and the up thrust back test of up thrust, which is again one of your most powerful technical indicators. And you're not oversold yet, which is a problem. More downside potential. Yeah. Gross. That was some TI, and then let's go to. That's it. That was the last 4 more requests. I've been live now for 1 hour, 12 minutes. If you're enjoying the live stream, hit the like button, that bell, that sub. Or that follow button on Twitch and Kick, I guess. Whatever. Well, I didn't say I was going to be here long. I don't know. Bitcoin's over 68K now. Go back to it and just take a gander. We are one Jesus candle away from the party being back on, from the Hey song. I mean, you just got to know. Thank you for Baba Booey. I mean, back above 69K. Just this neutral structure here. 83K. 83K. Above 69K. Right. And remember the reason? It is an aggressive, or I mean, it's a very bullish wave structure. 85% retrace on B with the higher low only means 1618. You could say 1272, whatever, but I think 1618, 82K. And then remember that right there, confluent with the weekly 1272. I remember the November 2021 all-time high to the bear market low, 15.5, 83.7 up there. That wave structure pretty much confluent with that. That would be X marks the spot. And man bun once again. Oh yeah, you know, that would be the most hilarious thing. You know, I don't even want to. I don't care about how much, you know, my Bitcoin or your Bitcoin or, you know, what's going to happen in the future. I just care about Bitcoin or a man bun double top getting destroyed again. That's all I care about. Okay, at this point. Go, dude. Let's make it happen. And if it failed, look, that idea is not, this idea I'm talking about is not becoming valid until the C point falls below 60,600. So there's going to be a sell-off. Oh no, it's going to 63K. Oh no, it's at 61.6, 61.8, 61.9, and then it could still do the same thing, man. So you just got to be mindful that idea of the bullish wave structure is valid until sellers take out the A point, the March 20th low. Oh, Doge warming up, bro. Holy crap, Doge. Look, anything, hey, if they hold 17.8 cents, I mean, right back up to 22, 23 cents, and then 34 cents after that. Kelchan, I know, dude, they said that, but they're the most wrong people ever. Like, they're clowns. People, like, just, I don't understand this. And I guess I do, because I mean, I feel like before Mark Douglas and all that, I might have been one to be like, oh yeah, it's gonna do this. Like, your whole perspective changes when you really let Mark Douglas trading in the zone into your heart. I mean, you don't know where it's going, and that's fine. Quality on Twitch is so much better, or it is so better. The English is not as good though. It seems like a Dismo. Thank you. Bar network, yeah, dude. What about it? Go on. We looked at that already today. It's interesting, man. Interesting stuff. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. That today's kind of historic for Kick. I've never done a video there ever. It seems like the title of my stream is called My First Stream. I don't know how to change it, but yeah, I do, of course. Is that how it works? I didn't even know you could title your stream. Huh. Oh, and it just knows I'm in crypto and trading. Maybe somebody changed it. I wasn't just chatting. Now I'm in crypto and trading. Got you. Kick's a bit weird for payments. Oh, I don't know, dude. Just happy to be here, there, and there.
$19.99 from Mugs.
Instantly.
UPS.
Boom.
Thanks, Mitch.
Huh. I know it looks maybe a little enticing locally. 1, 2, 3. But dude, the trend is you're fighting the trend. It's nasty, right? Like lower highs, lower lows. Lower highs, lower lows. How will we anchor this? All right, that trend is awful. So your upside could take you to 164 just so they could say it's overbought again. But you're trading below the 200 moving average. The 200 simple moving average is down sloping. You're making lower highs locally. It's real bad. It's almost like the inverse of Bitcoin. Flip the chart over and it's like, oh my God, is this Bitcoin? Where we're just talking about the wave structure. Oh wow, it's like, look, it's an 85% high or low. All right, man, 1618. It's Bitcoin inversed lately locally, right? Very bad. Yeah, I mean, maybe it does something, but this is not what you ever want to see. Below 154.75, that's a key level, and you're trading below it and you close the week below it. That's not good. And again, you think about it like this. That was the bad action magnet move, October 2022, and you're looking at it like this.
$10 from the Hairy Contrarian. Thanks, Mitch. The RSI on BTC monthly is high before happening. That's great.
Big old bat pattern. I mean, that's really what's going on too. Harry Contrarian, thank you for the $10 super chat. We can look at that. We'll look at it right after this. I mean, I'm pretty much done here. I mean, it's not actionable. You do not have a good trend. You're below the moving averages. You're below key inflection points. You have broken a bad action magnet move and just formally back tested as resistance, really, like yesterday. And that's it. Like, it could rally here, sure. It's just, it's all pretty bad. 1231, thanks for the follow on Twitch. Thank you, dude. I don't know if you're new or probably not. Soulsy, that's it. I'm on Twitch, or I'm on Kick, yes. Garcia, what's up, dude? On Kick. Yeah, I mean, you gotta go by the rules, and the rules are like not good here. Get it back above 154.74, get above the 200 moving average, break the supply line, and then we'll talk about a breakout. But until then, you got to be hands off, or you're short with a stop loss above 155, 156, and let this thing ride to 120. Bad trend. Mugs, thank you, dude. I don't know if that's what you were looking for. But yeah, it just not looking, it looks terrible. Okay. It's like,
There's bears out here.
what's up, Mike? Thank you, dude, for watching on Kick. Okay. So we got the weekend warriors here. We got FTM up 1.83%. Again, no structure, no supports being tested. It's just all bad. It's like no opportunity. Like the FTM comet is very far away in our atmosphere, or I'm sorry, in our solar system. Wow. Oh, you know, I learned. We're talking about cosmic stuff. I learned that it takes our solar system about 420 million years to rotate around Sagittarius. The that's the quasar, pretty much in the black hole in the middle of our galaxy. 420 million years.
Is that a joint?
Bitcoin buy or sell? DCA, man. Bitcoin's a DCA situation. All right. Neutral structure, coin flips, trend is friend, small incremental bids all the way down. If you got 53K, yep, continue to DCA, bring down that average, bring it down, bring down the average, continue over and over and over again. Totally legal, man. Error random, what's up, dude? Wow, that's crazy, man. Crazy stuff. So I don't know this. I would say this is it's Friday evening. A lot of times I don't even go live anymore on Fridays. It's so dead. I think this was a good day to experiment with this whole tri-platform streaming thing. So, and just to get things going, I now have officially on Kick. You can't believe it, dude. 17 followers now.
Hype in the chat.
Very cool. 18. Holy crap, man. Amazing. I hope you all have a good weekend. Enjoy yourselves. Hey, 1231, man. Thanks for the Twitch Prime sub.
Salt, so salty.
1231 just got salted. Assaulted. Nice. See, it does show up. What's up, Donut Carrot Lol? First time chat. What's up, dude? Take that Jeff Bezos money. Ah, yes, yes. I guess I'm getting balder every day with that Jeff Bezos money. All right, that's what happened to him. All right, man, I don't know. It's fun, but it's just... It'll be more fun, dude, when Bitcoin breaks the supply line at 70,000. Can we get a Jonathan emoji? I like turtles. Something we could work on. I know it takes a minute, and they gotta like approve it and stuff. So yeah, I thought we did have Jonathan and turtles. Dang, we don't have Jonathan and turtles, huh? I think I have to become like partner, and I was really close to doing it, and then yeah, something happened and I stopped. What's up, Steve? Roll Tide, man. Yeah, we got a big game tomorrow. I need some Roll Tides in the chat. We're gonna beat the behemoth UConn, the defending national champions, against the #1 scoring team in the world in college. That's Alabama. Oh, dang, dude. I mean, the more y'all type, the more I'm just like, I'll stay, you know? It's just cool seeing, like, 3 different platforms with chat activity. It's crazy, man. Just imagine if like if it turns out to be successful. Think about like we're at the highest pumps, like Bitcoin's at all-time highs, Jesus candle, the bullish wave structure prevails, and it's like we're playing the Hey song. There's just not much there's just not much to look at, you know, on these cryptos right now. What's up, X573V30? Wow, what a name, dude. You must have really put some effort into that name. Thank you so much for the Twitch Prime sub, man. Twitch Prime, blah, blah, blah. Donut, thanks for the lurking and thanks for the chatting. Atomic Bull 91, thanks so much to the follow. Thanks, dude. Getting an untaken name on Twitch is not easy. Yeah. Well, no one said it was easy. If it was easy, everyone would have the same name, John Smith. Maybe we'll look. Out of the kindness of my heart. Oh, student coin? Oh no, if it's like that, dude, nah. What about that CBTC? Y'all remember that? 21 share. What was it? Extra Bitcoin? Dude, it's still like, look at this. It's still not dead. I posted this as a trade setup. I can't even remember the last time I did it, but like, it's very interesting down here, right? Extra Bitcoin Incorporated, commercial services, miscellaneous commercial services. It's like at the actionable areas, right? Like the inflection points from history, the buyers are defending and holding. You're trading above the 200-day simple moving average at the basement. It's very interesting. Kicks beating Twitch. Whoa, that's pretty crazy.
Love My Poker super chatted $30. $30 from Love My Poker. Can we look at panel? Thanks.
Love My Poker, thanks so much for the $38 super chat. We shall do that right now. Yeah, CBDC, very interesting, huh? Up 5% today, wow. Oh my god, man. Pangea, what a trend. What a freaking trend, man. It's gorgeous. And they're trying to put in the highest low. What is this? Miscellaneous and miscellaneous. Nice. Probably can do ourselves a nice little pretty equidistant channel here. Oof. It's beautiful, man. Little beautiful channel. How you like that? I do declare that's a pretty demand line. Lots of respect all the way up. And look what happened, right? Having that plotted like that, you gotta admire the buyers redefending and then reconfirming like the Jesus on October 30th before what happened, a freaking face melting run to the top of the channel, man. That is something else. Nice request, and just in regards of you know, trend and channel education. It's beautiful. And you got it again though. Look, I mean, just going, this is like, reminds me of Halliburton. Right? You had the spring and then the back test the spring a couple times before that run. Came the pullback. And it's like, man, the closer you are to 620, the closer you are to being oversold in a very bullish trend. And right now, it's almost like there's like it's maybe an M shape, like a shark. Did it hit that pattern completion zone though? No, it did not. Trying this is 786. You're looking for an 886. Yeah, you may not get that, but still, just showing you, man. That's pretty wild, isn't it? PANL. CBDC is 1980s Bitcoin. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, chat's a little too dead for me to continue. I mean, it's tough, man. Like, if I... That's the life force of me streaming. I mean, like, oh, okay, I'll do like an hour, right? Then oh my God, I'm an hour 30 now. And it's like, look, man, it's Friday night. I get it. But if like there's just like no one typing, it's like, how do you continue? It's like there's just, I'm talking to a wall here. I've been scanning charts. I do that all the time alone anyway. The nines? No, you can't make hype happen, Alex. You can't force it. It has to be there, and it's not, and that's fine. Just saying, it's like, okay, we're not going to do marathon streams. Beautiful channel, man. Beautiful. So let's hope, man. Let's hope for a 69K breach eventually. Probably won't be till Monday or Sunday evening when futures open, but don't be scared, man. Remember what's happening to the world. Your fiat purchasing power is collapsing in real time. Record levels of debt, credit card debt, right? All the debt. If the DXY is looking sus, then we're good, man. Then we're in good shape for pump it, dude. $18 followers, man. It's pretty good. I'm nearing 4,000 on Twitch, which is pretty cool. But yeah, it's all good, man. Oi, oi, oi. Thanks for the follow on Twitch. Appreciate it, man. First time chat. Oh my god, dude. What's his first time doing anything? Thank you. This is my first live stream on Twitch in years. First live stream on Kick ever today, and YouTube is just business as usual. Okay. So thank you all for coming out. You know, I'll be back. Yeah, Brad will post the Twitch link if you want, and the Kick link. So thanks for likes, love, support, contributions, everything in between. I will just be back. Until then, respect T A.
Gentlemen in the mix.
JP. I am a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
I have some evidence Man Bear Pig could be in this area.
I don't know, sir.
And then, just like that,
Adios, turd nuggets.